Hi guys, today we're gonna make a very healthy and tasty sabji, broccoli and paneer. Let's begin. I'm gonna take 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, a medium size onion, one tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Mix. After 5 minutes, we're gonna add 3 medium-sized tomatoes, green chili as per your taste, salt as per your taste. Be sure to follow me on my Instagram for more future videos. Cover. About 2 tablespoons of dry methi, 1 tablespoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon roasted cumin seed powder, 1 tablespoon turmeric, now we're gonna add our broccoli florets. I'm taking about 4 cups. Mix well. Cook your broccoli for 15 minutes on medium-high. Once you think it's 80% to 90% cooked, add your paneer. Mix gently. Cover and cook it for 5 minutes. And here we go guys, our broccoli paneer sabji is ready. I hope you liked this recipe. If you did, then be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more future videos. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Bye.